Are we in the car wash, buddy?
Yeah.
Look up front. Oh.
What do you know?
Those are just big flaps that clean the car. Are they getting it shiny?
Whoa.
Here comes the big dryers. See how it blows the rain off the window off the rain. What did he say?
Wow. Look at them. I
See?
like them.
Like that one?